Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to print a doubly linked list in forward direction and in backward direction. Okay, so this video is very easy. Basically what we have to do, we have to start from our head and move to tail, and then we have to start from tail and move to head. Okay, so these are the two directions. We are having two functions, display, forward, in which we have to print the values in forward direction. That means firstly 10 will be printed, then we have to print comma, some space, then 20 will get printed, comma, space 30, comma, space 40, and so on. Okay, so this should be our output for display forward function. And for display backward function, what should be our output? Square bracket 60, comma, space 50, comma, space 40, 30, 20, 10, and then closing bracket. Okay, so this is very easy. We know how to do this, but to print, in printing we can do some mistakes. Okay, in printing we can do some mistakes. Let me go through it. This is head, this is head, this is tail. Okay, so firstly I'm talking about forward case. Okay, what I will do, I will simply put a current pointer here. Okay, then I will basically this is hard code value, this is hard code that I have to print a square bracket. I have to print this square bracket. After that, what I will do, I will simply print the value of current node. So 10 will get printed, 10 will get printed. Okay, that's clear. Let me remove these commas. Yeah, so 10 is printed. After that I will print comma also. 10 is the value of current node, then comma is printed, space is printed. After that I will shift this current to its next. Okay, now again 20 will get printed, space is already printed, so I have to print the data. Okay, now again shift current to its next, then print the value 30. After that, again, while printing any data, you should print comma and space along with it. So comma and space is printed. After that, current is shifted to its next, then 40 will get printed, comma and space. Okay, after that 50 will get printed, then comma and space. Easy. Now 60, this node is on 60, so 60 will get printed, comma and space, and then the closing bracket. But you will see, and then current will move to its next, and current is null. So we have traversed the whole linked list and we got our output. But this output is wrong. This output is wrong by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But what is this comma doing here and some space? These are extra now. So we have to create one condition that if we are present at the last node, that means how we are going to detect whether we are present at last node? If current next is null. If this is null, then we are not required to print some comma. We are required to print data value. So 60 will get printed, but we will not print any comma and space. So these will not get printed. Okay, and then yeah, so we got our output. So this is the exact case, which is some tricky part. Okay, now the same case for tail also. Basically now I am talking about backward. In which we have to start from the end and move in forward direction. So 60 to 10. So firstly 60 will get printed. Oh, before printing 60, we have to print square bracket, then print data, comma and space. Easy. Then shift tail to its previous node. So 50 will get printed, comma and space. Then again, or instead of shifting tail, what you can do, the exact case, you can put some current pointer here. Okay, after that you will shift current to its previous, then previous. So in this case 40 will get printed, comma and space. Again 30, so 30 will get printed, comma and space. Same case, exact same case, but in this case we are using previous pointer. So 20, comma and space. After that 10, comma and space, and then current will move to its null. So and then some square bracket. So in this case also we are going to print some extra comma. So we will check whether current arrow previous is null. If it is null, then we are not going to print anything. Easy. That's all about this question. Let's solve this and move to our next problem. So this is very easy. Okay, so what we are going to do, this is display forward. So initially we have to print square bracket, opening square bracket. Then we will create some node which is pointing to head, so current, which is pointing to head. Okay, while current is not equals to null, then until then we have to traverse. Easy. Now what we have to do, I have to print data, then comma, then space. So cout data, so current data. Easy. After that I have to print some comma, so comma and space, and then shift current to its next. Easy. Easy. But as I explained, we have to check if we are at the last node, then we are not required to print anything. So if current next is not equals to null PTR, that means we are not present at the last node. So if we are not present at the last node, so we can print some comma. Okay, after this while loop we have to print closing bracket also. Okay, this is all about this question. So this function, so let's copy this and paste this. In this case, current is placed at tail. After that, while current is not equals to null PTR, exact same, print its data. Very good. And here we have to check until its previous becomes null. Okay, so current previous is not equals to null PTR. That's good. And here we will shift to its previous position. Then we are going to print this. Okay, so let me run this code. Yeah, okay, we are having some compilation error. Let me see. Current previous. Okay, it is prev. It is not previous, it is prev. Okay, some naming convention, no problem. Oh, we are getting wrong answer. Oh, we forgot to make a comma space, then firstly starting. Yeah, this is good. Then we have to print our data. If current next is not equals to null PTR, then we are not going to print any comma. Then current should be shifted to its next and cout. Yeah, so I think this is correct. Where we are doing some mistake, let me see what's wrong with this output. Yeah, okay, so basically we are not changing the line. Okay, so we have to change the line. This is very minute mistake, but you should take care of it also. Okay, we have to change our line after printing. We have to change our line. Easy. So basically this question is all about printing, how to print. Okay, so this is very easy question. Just you have to remember two things, that comma should not be placed after last node, and after that you have to change the line, which I forgot. Okay, no problem. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye.